viewers, and welcome back to Cooking and DIY, where we cook delicious meals and we show you how to do simple jobs around the house, avoid the need for a tried man. Now today I'm gonna cook a delicious one-pot meal using lamb neck and rice as my main ingredient. This lamb neck has already been washed, so I'm going to season it with some olive oil, some jerk seasoning paste, homemade green seasoning paste made by myself of course, some dry jerk seasoning powder, paprika, some browning, and after that I'm gonna give everything a good rub. Please remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a positive comment. So as you know, I love to cook with the usual suspects, so I'm gonna add some chopped red and white onions, some red, green and yellow bell pepper, some ginger, some spring onion, garlic and leek. Once all of this is now added, I'm gonna give it a next rub, everything up with some camphor. 4 hours later, I'm going to remove the wrapping. I have already had some heated oil in a pan, so I will add the meat and allow each piece to get some color before turning them over. Once both sides have some color, I'm now going to transfer the meat into a pressure cooker. I will add all the vegetables. I'm going to add some water, and all those bits that left in the pan. Yes. Once everything is added, I will pressure this for about 25 minutes. Time has now passed. The meat is now pressured. I am now transferring it into this pot. Look at how tender this meat is. Wow, looks very delicious. Last ingredients to this delicious meal is some frozen vegetables and some rice. Of course, this rice have been washed. Once everything is in the pot, you just need to give everything a good mix. So you want your rice to be nice and fluffy. So the secret is not to add too much water. You want the water to be just above the level where the rice and the meat is. Right, so you just want to cover the pot with the lid, leave it for about 5 or so minutes. Once the rice starts to get swollen, you're going to remove the lid again, buff the rice up a bit. Then you're going to cover the pot with some aluminum foil, replace the lid and allow it to steam. You want this to be on very, very low flame. So after some slow steaming, here is the finished product. As you can see, this looks very delicious. In this delicious meal with some fresh vegetables, some fried plantain, and some steamed string beans. Thank you very much for watching. I do appreciate your support. Leave a comment, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Goodbye.